At Avery Dennison, we proactively address the key challenges facing our customers and industries. We create products and solutions that address complex issues and unlock new value to help solve problems. Here's a brief customer story that demonstrates the innovation in pet toy packaging. What if we could help you optimize labor and supply chain efficiency? The IndES Elastic Staple System secures items to flat card surfaces or multi-level card packaging designs. It has been used to replace conventional plastic packaging such as zip ties, blister packs, and clamshells in a variety of consumer goods. We'll highlight the customer challenge, our approach, and the value created. Hopefully this inspires you to explore what could be made possible with the IndES Elastic Staple System. SodaPup, a pet toy manufacturer in the USA, wanted to improve their packaging process. They were using zip ties to manually secure products to retail backer cards. This process was slow and inefficient. Fastener Solutions worked with SodaPup to redesign their packaging and packaging process by evaluating their various retail products to figure out the best stapling to backer card configurations. The Avery Dennison staff collected several physical product samples and created mock-ups of these products in the proposed new packaging. SodaPup's portfolio of products range in size. Elastic staples from as small as 15 millimeters to 100 millimeters were tested. The small clear ends of each staple did not interfere with the text content on the reverse side of the backer cards. This further enhanced the attractiveness of SodaPup's packaging. Avery Dennison was able to recommend certain staple sizes that worked across a broad range of SodaPup's products and existing backer cards. This analysis and testing helped SodaPup to contain their costs and simplify their packaging inventory. SodaPup's customers like the new packaging because it is attractive and easy to open. There is true value created. Adam Baker, the founder and president of SodaPup, stated, "The IndES system is very quick, allowing SodaPup to achieve a 400% gain in productivity, and the staples cost far less than the zip ties. It is a great win for us and has also resulted in significantly lowering our packaging costs. Using the IndES stapling system reduced our packaging costs because, in the past, we had to drill holes in the packaging to accommodate the cable ties. With IndES, you don't need pre-drilled holes. By eliminating the holes, the packaging costs went down. This boost in profitability enables us to compete more effectively with imports in the pet toy category." Adam further stated, "At SodaPup, we believe that our choices define us. We're not just a company driven by the bottom line. We're committed to doing business in ways that are good for people and the planet, not to mention your dog."